Qatar flight, na? In fact, that officers they rummaged the Qatar aircraft after the passengers left. They found these 3 plastic bags concealed under the seat number 33C. So then they questioned, nobody was there, no claimant for that gold. The aircraft crew also were questioned as well as the cleaning staff. Nobody, even the 33C who were occupied the seat and the neighboring seat people were also questioned, and all disowned the gold. So after opening these 11 packets, we found that it is containing assorted gold jewellery. Now the value have been called to find out the nature of the gold content in that. It is ascertained that it is 18 carat of gold, most of the jewellery, containing some stones as well as some other white metal. So the exact value has to be ascertained only after the valuer examines the jewellery. So as of now, approximately we can say it will be around 2 crores because it's around 10 kgs total weight. It will be normal time, it will be a little more, but since it is containing 18 carat only as well as containing stones, we are approximately valuing it around 2 crores. So it's one of the big seizures by the officers in the recent times. So we are able to thwart an attempt by the new modus, because this is a jewellery for the first time we seized this much quantity in Goa.
What is the weight?
Total 10 kgs, approximately, almost 10 kgs. And because it's containing like these stones as well as other metals, so ultimately the weight may be slightly less gold weight. So that we have to ascertain through the valuer. So they have come to ascertain it.